How to download and get started playing with Archero 2 application on your smartphone or tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. The first thing you want to do while downloading the Archero 2 is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, preferably Wi-Fi, and now tap open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in Archero 2 and search. Look for this Archero 2 application from Happy and tap on install. Now wait for the game to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. If you're downloading it on your iOS device, you'll need to go ahead and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID's password. After authenticating the download, your download process will begin and you'll need to wait for a while. It might take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed, so be patient for a while. And once it is done, you can start playing the game. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection before downloading. Ensure that you also have enough free storage space for the game and wait for the application to download. Once the download is complete, you can launch the game open and enjoy. So that is how you download and install Archero 2 on your Android or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.